Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm joined today by Troy Brice, Managing Director and CEO of Lightning Minerals. Troy, welcome. Great to have you with us today.
Good morning and thank you.
Now, Troy, you've just completed phase 2 exploration at your Warby Tungsten Project. Can you give us a bit of an update?
Yeah, the guys have just done a great program, rapidly executed, ahead of schedule, under budget, no incidents, which I always love. They had all the fun out there on site. Warby is undercover. It's not a lot of development in the area, so the guys were fly camping, had a few cool nights. But more importantly, what the guys achieved in rapid time was a really detailed phase 2 building our geological understanding of the region, about 90 to 100 samples of soils, rock chip samples, stream sediment, and across a 2-kilometre area, across 8 recognised mineralisation veins. And it's really just adding to our excitement about the potential of this tungsten project.
So what is the potential in your view? Because, of course, when you look at the location, you're very close to the Mount Carbine tungsten mine. It's a good neighbourhood to be in. What do you think this means for your project?
There's massive upside, and this is in a short period of time. We expect to be determining our phase 3 drill targets over the coming months, and ideally get a drill program in before the end of this calendar year. Otherwise, it'll be at the start of the drilling season, starting Q2 next year, given the wet season cycle in North Queensland. But all results so far are exceeding our expectations. And as we establish a greater understanding of the geological structures there and what the mineralisation is actually implying to us as a ore body, we're quite hopeful, and with good scientific evidence to support us, where things are going to evolve very quickly as we target an MRE on this project in 27.
It's really a key time, isn't it? Because tungsten is on pretty much every critical minerals list right now. So that's obviously key for the project.
Your timing is everything, and this is why we've put a lot of emphasis on this in recent months, given that we're a gold-leg exploration company with a copper prospect as well at Mount Turner, which is just nearby. But tungsten, as we did a recon exercise over there a couple of months ago, as our phase 1 assessment of the project, we uncovered the historical World War I shallow pits that were excavated during that time for early tungsten mining in that region. Now what we're seeing is the extent of this just growing, and given the timing, the market constraints, the impact of the demand profile increasing, our great neighbours at EQ at Mount Carbine increasing their production capacity, the major investment going in there from Forest announced yesterday. The timing is really important for us to focus on this, put the capital investment in the right location, do some intelligent exploration to determine drill targets and the probability of success there.
Now, your assay results are due in August. What else should investors be watching out for over the next few weeks?
In the next few weeks, other than that, we'll do an additional announcement on this project next week. We're targeting relating to the determination of the initial results on the QA/QC process for all the samples collected so far. To the neighbouring project, we'll be kicking off the phase 2 drilling program for the Drummer Fault ore body on Mount Turner, with the intention there to do a phase 3 drilling campaign at the back end of this year as well. Because our mission focus for Lightning is establishing a strong gold MRE in the coming period, and then do some concurrent projects such as Warby Tungsten right now, as we're seeing this really get some legs and get some strength in its scientific and geological model.
Now, Troy, just before we let you go, you've got a new website hosted by Investor Hub, launching today. In fact, you've just gone live.
We have indeed. And this is just an evolution, the maturity of the company. Investor focus, getting more information to the investors and potential investors, and restructuring the information we're able to share in that space. And Investor Hub have been a good partner in getting us to this particular point. So we're evolving very fast in a multitude of areas, and we're looking forward to the future.
Exciting times. Troy, thank you so much for joining us today. We look forward to chatting again very soon.
Thank you kindly.